Assalamu alaikum students. In the series of lectures on social linguistics, today I am going to discuss language varieties. So let's see what are the different types of language varieties. So before discussing different types of language varieties, let's see first of all what is language varieties. Language varieties refer to different forms of language that may exist within a speech community. These can be based on geographical, social, cultural, or historical factors and can result in differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and usage. Examples of language varieties include regional dialects, sociolects, ethnolects, and idiolects. So let's discuss these different varieties of language one by one. In social linguistics, a social dialect is associated with a certain socio-economic class, ethnic, or age group. It's a combination of the term social or socio-economic with dialect. So sociolect is a variety of dialects associated with particular social groups that arise due to education, occupation, social class, religion, and a variety of other factors. This means that social class refers to the difference of people in education, wealth, and prestige. The study of sociolect is concentrated in towns and cities. In studying social dialect, we have two groups of people, such as middle class, those who have more years of education and perform non-manual work, and the working class who have fewer years of education and who perform manual work. There are different types of social dialect or sociolect. There are usually three types of sociolects that are very much familiar. Number one, vernacular, number two, slang, and number three, jargon. So first of all, I will discuss what is vernacular variety of language. Vernacular is a language spoken rather than written formally by a group of people who have the same profession, live in the same region and country. Vernacular describes everyday language that is used by people. The second variety of sociolect is slang. Slang refers to a type of language that is too informal to use in certain situations. You can tell a word or phrase is slang when it becomes uncool to use it after a while, like groovy or far out. Often slang terms are considered vulgar or offensive to use in polite conversation. Slangs are completely informal and must always be avoided in formal situations. It's an informal, non-standard variety of speech that is characterized by the change of words and phrases immediately. The third type of sociolect is called jargon. Jargon is language that is used by a particular group or profession. You can say that it's a type of technical term. It can be used to describe correctly technical language in a positive way as well as describes language which is obscure. Jargon has its own vocabulary and it is widely used in an area of study, a specific career which shares the same profession. Now, apart from sociolect, there are other varieties of language that are called idiolect, dialect, and ethnolect. Let's discuss these. What is idiolect? It's a personal variety, an individual's unique use of language, including speech. This variety encompasses everything from vocabulary to syntax and pronunciation. The other variety of language is called dialect, and it's a form of language that people speak in a particular part of a country containing some different words and grammar. Some examples of dialects include standard dialect, Southern American dialect, and African American vernacular English. The other variety of a language is called ethnolect. It's a variety of language spoken by a certain ethnic cultural subgroup. It generally refers to the language spoken by a group of immigrants to a country. It has specific features of their original first language in the language of the general society. Examples include Jewish American English, previous German Australian English, and African American Vernacular English. It was all about language varieties. Thank you so much for your attention, and please keep watching our channel for more lectures on language, literature, and linguistics.